is Flexi-Van, a new concept in door-to-door rail highway transportation, an exclusive of the New York Central. Flexivan is new because it gives every firm all the advantages of any business that has its own private rail siding. Modern development in shipping because it delivers your freight car to your own loading platform and on its own truck wheels. Your loading platform is your siding. This empty Flexivan is delivered for loading where you want it and when you want it on a precise schedule for maximum efficiency. The Central's drivers are experts at cargo handling, and these men will always load or assist in loading and unloading your cargo. This assures you of the greatest safety for your goods. The New York Central handles everything door to door. Until you're loaded, it departs immediately. Your worries are over. Flexivan gives you all of the flexibility of trucking combined with the all-weather dependability and economy of rail transportation. The thing that makes this unique method of transportation possible is the Flexivan rail car. This car has been specially designed to hold two regular over-the-road vans with the wheels removed. The detachable trailer wheel undercarriage, called the bogie, is fastened to side rails on the Flexivan by retractable lock pins to keep it securely in place. These side rails will fit around a turntable on the rail car, which also has heavy lock pins. These safely fasten the Flexivan when it is centered on the turntable and keep it steady. One man, the New York Central driver, handles this entire loading operation with ease. And now let's see how long it takes to load the van on the rail car. And becomes an unbreakable lock for the Flexivan doors, protecting your shipment against pilferage. Without need for transfer of cargo, your truck shipment is about to become a rail shipment. The Flexivan is now backed up until the trailer rests against the turntable, where it will be easily transferred to the rail car. Everything is fast, smooth, and easy. Your shipment receives careful attention at all times. Now the lock pins are unfastened, which hold the Flexivan to the bogie, so that the van will slide easily onto the turntable. The tractor then pushes the Flexivan back, and the van slides smoothly over the stationary bogie onto the turntable until it is centered there. Now the Flexivan is automatically locked to the turntable and can be freed from the bogie. First, the power line for the van is disconnected. Then the driver releases the kingpin, which secures the Flexivan to the tractor. Your shipment is no longer on a highway vehicle. Note how the tractor, now detached from the Flexivan, is pulled out of the way. The tractor still has one more task to perform, however, before completing its job. There is a special power line in the cab, which the driver pulls out and attaches to a connection on the rail car. The power from the truck battery is used to operate the hydraulic system on the rail car, which elevates the turntable and lifts the Flexivan free of the bogie. Here you see a 44,000-pound loaded van being raised by power furnished by a 12-volt battery. The turntable on the rail car is so perfectly designed and constructed, and the Flexivan carrying your freight so perfectly balanced on it, that the driver can swing it into position by himself, all 44,000 pounds of it. See how the hydraulic system gently lowers the van until it is securely locked in the fore and aft position. Watch the kingpin of the Flexivan fit into its slot to protect your cargo against side sway. Additional protection is provided by safety hooks at the other end of the van. That's all there is to it. Flexivan highway has become a railroad car, and just 4 minutes have passed. Your cargo, picked up in a highway trailer, is now a railroad shipment, speedily transferred without cost to you. Speed in loading means faster delivery, better service for you as a shipper. Transit time is also cut because roller bearings permit passenger speeds and minimize hot boxes. Your goods are safe shipped the Flexivan way. The rail car has a low center of gravity. Its ride control trucks dampen motion and take up handling shocks. Each turntable is cushioned with 68 rubber mats, and the Flexivan anchoring system allows 8 inches of fore and aft movement for further cushioning. Your shipment is safe all the way, free from the hazards of long-distance highway travel, and it's under railroad police protection from door to door. Its progress from door to door is under control, too. Advanced teletype messages tell when the Flexivan shipment is due to arrive. Your consignee is then advised by telephone. He can specify time and place of delivery to suit his convenience. Your Flexivan can be unloaded at any railhead approachable by a tractor and trailer. No ramps or platforms or depressed tracks are necessary. And forklift trucks or gantry cranes are not required. Shipping hazards are reduced. The Flexivan will reach your consignee without added handling. No transshipment, no loading. It carries your cargo to its destination on time, on a dependable railroad schedule. This is Flexivan, a simple, flexible system giving shippers the advantages of both rail and highway transportation. A system to speed freight, protect it, and deliver it door to door at lowest cost.